Hey folks, I thought this would be interesting to show you what we do in carpentry. This is one of the projects that we've done in carpentry where we formed up a part of a sidewalk or a patio and we poured the concrete, we finished it. This is only part of what we did on this job. We have another L-type shape in the back of this house and it turned out really well. The kids worked really hard. This is one of the things we do in carpentry is we learn how to form up, we learn how to put rock and reinforcing, and then we pour the concrete. So enjoy, folks. Thanks for watching.